Namaste, welcome to Veena's Views. Today's video is to support those parents who are struggling to keep their determined children in front of the tab or laptop for the e-learning. I am getting a few calls from some of the parents with this complaint because classes have started in Middle East, especially in UAE from April onwards. But this time it is different. It is e-learning. E-learning program is going on quite very well in UAE. Kids are enjoying. They are same like how they were going to school. The difference is they are not going to the school in the school bus. Early morning they are getting up, getting ready, wearing their school uniform, arranging the timetable and sitting in front of the laptop or their own tab with a proper headset, and they are interacting with the teacher. All the students are online, they can see all of their friends. There is a live interaction with teachers and the students. So it is going on quite well, but at the same time those kids who are enrolled as SEN students in the mainstream, they are facing challenges. For them, we know that for an autistic child or an ADHD child, it is quite difficult to sit for a long time and to pay attention to the teacher through laptop, through the iPad or laptop. So at this stage, they throw tantrums, and especially for the smaller kids, it is very difficult for them to sit and focus or to give a proper eye contact or to give a proper interaction to their teachers. It is very difficult for them. So what we can do to keep them settled down, to listen and to be an active participant along with the other friends in the classroom, I mean in the e-learning classroom. So I was also just thinking about all this, how can we, because keeping them at home doing nothing is again we are giving them more chance to develop their negative behavior. So e-learning is a good option at present for them to see their teachers, to go along with the activities, to give a reply for their questions. But what we can do at this point is, as a parent, we can request the teachers, especially in most of the school there is a SEN department, there is a team, well qualified and experienced team of SEN teachers in almost every schools in UAE. So what we can discuss with them now is, we can ask them that this child, the SEN child, can come to the classroom on time, but whenever he wants, maybe after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, this child can take a break, and we can exempt him from the long duration of each subject. So the child can move out. Maybe if the other kids are sitting for a 45 minutes per session, we can reduce his time to 20 minutes. His IEPs, the SEN department children IEPs are different, so they don't have to cope up with the complete syllabus like the other children. They have a limited syllabus to study. So I think 20 minutes is more than enough for each subject for a SEN child. So please discuss this with your teacher. And another thing is, the SEN teacher or the caretaking teacher can give your child a 30 minutes or 20 to 30 minutes individual attention every day. So this will benefit your child. She can recap what had happened the whole day with other children. So the child is going to listen or going to see the activities, what was happened in the classroom today. So this is a recap from he will be sitting with the other children. Again, he is getting one more chance, individual support through online from the SEN teacher, and then the parent is going to support him after the session also. I know the parents, almost all mothers are sitting with their children to keep them to listen and learn properly. But after the session, I think the parents can do it as an interactive, a play therapy session, including the activities which had happened in the class. I wish this will help them to settle down slowly. Please include more practical activities with your children so that they will find learning as a fun, and through this fun and play they will settle down and explore more to develop their confidence. Thank you so much.